Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the Cola Conundrum puzzle. This puzzle was designed and made by Fortunate Son Puzzles. Difficulty level of the Cola Conundrum puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to buy yourself a drink from Soda Machine. This puzzle really looks like a tiny version of the Soda Machine. There are buttons here that you can push, pull. There is an opening here quite large where the can of Coke is supposed to come out. There is another opening right here which looks like an opening for money. You have to pay money for your drink. If you take a close look here on top, there is a small hole here. On the back side there is some kind of a door and what looks like a socket outlet. And there is a small can of Coke. Obviously not a real can of Coke, also 3D printed, and you have to figure out the way how to remove it. This puzzle was entirely 3D printed, except for some metal parts that are included. They were not 3D printed, obviously, and it is actually a very well built puzzle. The Cola Conundrum puzzle is a sequential discovery puzzle. That means that you will find some tools within the puzzle that will help you to solve it. If you like how the Cola Conundrum puzzle looks and you want to buy it and try to solve it by yourself, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.